Imagine achieving the impossible, rising against the odds and turning challenges into stepping stones for greatness.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good morning. Good morning. All right, good. I'm checking, making sure that you guys are okay. So are you having a good time being finally out together after 2 years? Yeah. Well, come on, I'm from Jamaica. If you are, let me hear you say, yeah, man. Yeah. All right, I think I'm digging you guys already. How many of you ever failed at anything? Anything? Some hands are missing, they're lying. I know they're lying. Show of hands, how many of you ever failed at anything and felt like a loser? All right, keep your hands up. If you're a loser, be proud. I want to see all the hands of all the losers. How many of you have ever failed at anything and felt like a loser on international TV? Well, it's just me? Wow. Well, thank you for that. It seems like I'm the biggest loser in the room. But what does it say about failure, though? It isn't fatal. It really is part of the success journey. The challenge is that too many of us see ourselves as failure as opposed to seeing the event as a failure.
I was not born a champion. I learned to become one. And guess what? So can you.
Devon Harris, three-time Olympian, author, former Army captain, and captain of the Jamaican Bobsled team, is a master at inspiring others to push beyond their limits.
Success isn't about where you start. It's about where you are willing to push yourself to go. I have spent my life pushing boundaries, and I'm here to help you to do the same.
From corporate leaders and business teams to associations, not-for-profits, colleges, universities, aspiring athletes, and entrepreneurs, Devon helps audiences unleash their potential and build the mindset of champions. It is not often that a speaker makes such a lasting impression on a group of seasoned CXOs, but Devon Harris did just that. The positive feedback and high speaker scores he received were off the chart. I was particularly impressed by the way he incorporated the theme of our meeting and many of the issues that concerned our attendees into his talk, Microsoft. Devon nailed it. Not only did he give us an amazing keynote, but the level of care Devon showed was outstanding. He clearly did his homework and tailored his message beautifully. Rocket Pro. Devon's ability to instill a keen balance of breakthrough thinking and humor inspired our dedicated team of colleagues and challenged leaders to accomplish something far greater than ourselves, the Infusion Group.
I truly believe in helping people realize that no obstacle is too big when they're ready to keep on pushing. I'm always eager to show them how they can defy expectations and achieve the impossible. In fact, I'm excited to show them how together we can turn the impossible into possible.
You've been awesome. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Devon. Thank you so much. Let's hear it again for Devon. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Excellent.
Ready to inspire your team to achieve greatness? Book Devon Harris today and let the journey begin. Because greatness is possible for everyone if you're willing to keep on pushing.